everybody, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing try-on haul, and this one is from, can you tell from my outfit, Hot Topic. So I have been a faithful shopper of Hot Topic since, I remember Shane Dawson shirts, the original, OG Shane Dawson shirts, and I really wanted one. My mom was terrified to go in the store, absolutely freaking terrified. So it wasn't until they started getting Disney stuff in Hot Topic that I started getting Hot Topic, and then I pretty much just spent all of my paycheck at Hot Topic, and I still do, and I still did. It's right next to me. I'm actually not wearing Hot Topic today. How shocking. I'm actually still wearing the stuff from the Shein haul. It's the same day. You see the makeup? Yeah, it's the same day. The first thing is okay. I'm so excited. These are the Nightmare Before Christmas shorts. Look at the bag! It has a little jack pocket. Yeah! Oh man. So, Hot Topic does have their own plus size section. However, these shorts were ugly. Not the regular size, but I went a few sizes up. These are in 19, so they will fit. I know they will, and if not, I will lose weight because these are beautiful. Also, look at the buttons, look at the buttons, look at the buttons. Sorry, these are, official name is the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington button front shorts, even though it just says show on my computer. So these are the show. Hi everybody, and welcome to the try-on. Why am I doing my intro? Wow, I guess it's because it's a new day, new makeup, new everything, not exhausted Katie. Yay. So, the first thing in the try-on haul is the shorts, and they are incredibly comfortable. I have gained some weight in the quarantine, so I went with a size 19, and it fits really well, and I have a little bit of space here. So if you are going with the normal, not plus size, I would go with a little up size. I really love the shorts. The pockets are not as deep as probably the plus size one. I love the jack pocket. I think it's adorable. So I wanted to show 3 different looks. So this is just if you were to just do a normal t-shirt. So you can wear it to Disney all day. It looks adorable. As far as jackets go, it probably will be hard because if you put on a flannel with this, it's probably going to strobe. So I would put on a solid hoodie or solid jacket with these shorts. Alright, the next look. I also wanted to show a solid with it, but also kind of a almost gothic, punk-ish kind of way. Because if you are in a warm climate like Florida or Arizona and you still want to be goth but you don't think you can, I still think you can. So you can wear light lace like this and still wear shorts with fishnets and boots and still be a-okay. Also, I paired it with a beanie. I would love to have one of those big fedora sun hat things with the moons on it, but it's $70 on Amazon. That's not something I can justify buying for a video. It's kind of almost a beachy type of Nightmare Before Christmas vibe. I got this kimono from Torrid a long time ago with the matching skirt, but it is perfect for these shorts. I did not have any of the colors here, but I feel like if you went with a blue up here or even a purple, it would also look really stellar. I just went with black and then pulled out the red in the accessories with the hat, and yeah. Right now, because of Corona season, Hot Topic is yeah, we're gonna just make sure people get the stuff. So we're gonna put a 20% off, and I'm just you know what, I like 20% off. I like that, I do. So, hence they got all my money again. I'm not even in the shop and I spent all my money. Although I like their online thing's better. I just got my lipstick all over the bag. This is the second thing, and this is the Universal Monsters Frankenstein Retro Girls crop top. And its original price was $26.69, and I think I got it for like $20. That's another story of I wanted to get it in the plus size, but they didn't. It was sold out. This one was sold out, so I wanted to get it in the regular size with the 2XL, but then the 2XL was sold out, so I got it in 3. So she gonna be roomy, but it looks like it's gonna be totally fine because Hot Topic tends to run smaller in the normal sizes, so it is. Look at my pin, isn't it cute? Sorry. But yeah, this is great. And then in the back, it's stretchy. I really love the inside. It's very smooth and soft, silky. So it will be very, very great to wear to like festivals and to conventions and stuff. This is really nice. Alright, and then here's the next item, which is the Frankenstein shirt. Now, it is a 3XL and it is not a 2XL, so it is a bit loose, but I honestly am totally okay with that. It is super duper comfortable. I love it. And no, it doesn't show like cleavage, which is what I assume you would want with this type of top, but fortunately I don't really care. I really, really like the silhouette, even much so, and as far as the cleavage goes, I honestly really don't care. If I really, really want to, I will just wear a bigger bra, or I will just do some witchery. I paired it with my Universal Monsters hat, which I absolutely love, and then just a black mini skirt. This would also really great with shorts, jeans, skirts, anything. This is a must-have. I absolutely love this. I super duper duper love this. It is so comfortable. It is so, but I would get your size if they still do have it, because it is very size accurate. Even this is not the plus size, this is the normal size, and it is very, very accurate to size. Alright, so this might be like, I'm so excited for these, you have no idea, So these are the Beetlejuice striped short talls. It's short, they're like overalls, but they're like short alls. And these was $54.90, but it was 20% off. I don't remember what it was. Hi. And this was the plus size. I wanted the plus size one because I didn't know. I didn't know. But these are freaking great. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see it because cameras be weird. But it says, never trust the living. It does have a stray, oh. It just came off. Okay, that's cool. I thought it was like attached. I was like, meh. It has a pop. This is for my phone. Wait. Well, it fits the phone test. It fits the phone test. It fits. And there's also other pockets on the side as well that are really great. That's another reason why plus size clothes are great. We got pockets. Whereas my best friends who don't... Oh, it has back pockets. It has back pockets too. Can't wait to try them on. I love these overalls. Okay, so they are like so comfortable, and the striping on them are flattering for the tum-tum. So comfortable and so flattering, and the sleeves are adjustable. I love it, the little flap, and then with the tank top, the little skin here. I love it. I paired it I had a different top planned for this, but then like I was just putting on them and I had this still on and I was like, oh my god, this goes really well together. So this is just what I just showed you, which is the Frankenstein crop top, and it goes really, really well because of the greens, and they're not exactly the same green, but as you can see in my eyeshadow, this is why I did green on my eyes today for these overalls. It is amazing, and you can pair other fandoms with it and it looks just as great, and it makes you look layered in your geekdom. This is very multi-fandom. This is a Freddy Krueger shirt. It still has the colors that match here, but because it is black and white majorly, you can probably put any color top in here. It doesn't have to have a green base, but if it does, it just really pops. Green and red are the two colors of fear, which is why Freddy Krueger's sweater is red and green. So putting red and green with this is really, really great, but you can also do solid colors like black and white, and you can really do anything because of the colors. And they are so comfortable, and they have so many pockets, and these are perfect if you want to go to like Universal Studios or like a haunted house or something like that. If you are in a hot climate and these get too much, you can do this and then just wear them as shorts, and then just like attach these at the bottoms here so they don't keep flying off wherever. Alright, so we got one more look for you. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? I don't think you're ready for it. Let's go. And then this is the last outfit. This is the Beetlejuice on Beetlejuice. This is also from Hot Topic, no surprise. But it all works together, and if you actually have a Beetlejuice hat, wear that and be really, really cool. Or you could probably use this to cosplay like a, kind of like a Lydia if you really wanted to. I might do that. Check out my Instagram. It's actually coming. So go on my Instagram and see that. These will be used in a cosplay. Yeah. This one is the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack and Sally Glow Up in the Dark. Alright, so I haven't mentioned it on my channel yet, but anyone who knows me knows that Nightmare Before Christmas is like a huge movie to me, and Sally is like one of my favorite Disney characters, if not probably my favorite. I love Baloo, I love Sally, I love Megara, I love Mulan, love General Shang. There's a lot. I could just do an entire video on Disney. I'm a very big Disney fan. But this is a t-shirt dress. Similar to what I'm wearing, but long sleeves. It's really beautiful. I love it when long sleeves has designs down it, and the fact that they're fab. Does it have pockets? The real question is, it does have pockets. It does. Oh, this is just beautiful. Now and forever. La 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 la. And this is the glow in the dark Jack and Sally t-shirt dress. Honestly, this is so comfortable. This is in the plus size and it is in the 2XL, and it has so much room. It's very, very flattering, and I turned off my lights because I wanted to see if you can see that it is glow in the dark. It is glow in the dark, and that's why I paired it with my ears that light up. Is that visible? There we go. They need fresh batteries. It'd also be really great for Disneyland because you can put shorts under here really, really easily. Then you can hide yourself. You can probably like tuck it in during the day, and then when it gets colder, just untuck it with a little fanny pack here or a little backpack here. You'd be super cute, super cute. Yep. And you can eat all of the Disneyland goodies and no one will see. This is the Nightmare Before Christmas Sally baby doll dress plus size, and this is $49.90, but it was 20% off, so it was around $40. So I have 3 other Sally dresses. In fact, there's one hanging up right there. I'm obsessed. If there's a Sally dress, I gotta have it. And oh wow. So I feel like this will be my summer Sally dress. I think it's made out of like, I think it's rayon, but it feels cottony. It's very, very flowy. Only ish is that it looks kind of see-through. But I would definitely, I like the colors. The colors are really, really pretty. They're really, really great. There's no, is there pockets? There's pockets! I feel like I could get a petticoat under this thing. Maybe. We shall try in our excavation because we're scientists. I'm so happy. This is a Sally dress. I did put a petticoat underneath it. It seems that it can get a bigger petticoat. This is like the smallest petticoat I have, and it makes it poofier. and I am going to take off the petticoat right now. This is without the petticoat. It is very free. I would say it's kind of like a sundress, beachy material. It's rayon. It is very free, very wrinkly too, so keep that in mind. I want to have, this was a Christmas ornament that I changed into a necklace. I want it on a longer like chain so it comes down here, but right now it's for here. Did I buy this hat just for this haul? Yes, I did. This is a Bio World hat, and it's on Amazon if anybody wants to purchase it as well. I love the pockets. I love the fact that it has pockets. This is a very casual dress. I feel like you can put a belt here to accessorize it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I just kind of wanted to just put it on with the beanie. But if you also want to wear it to Disney, it's also a really good option. It's really free, though if you do get it wet, I feel like it will be pretty cold. So if you are going to be wearing it to Disney and get wet, I would bring a jacket because it is going to get pretty nippy in the nighttime. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Mushu. Alright, so thank you for my song. I know I suck, that's okay. This is, as soon as I got this in the mail, I had to open it. That's why there's no unboxing for these two. But I thought, you know, you'd forgive me. I think this thing is long enough as it is. OMG, this is amazing. I'm so happy I got it. I love the look. It is so cool. And then you just like, oh yeah, she's cool, she's fashionable. But then you turn around and bam, she loves Disney. It's so great. I'm gonna wear it to every single like baseball game I wear. Like every time I go to a baseball game, I'm going to be wearing this and not bringing this bat. But come on, props. We love props. Forgive the dog hair and dust. These were in a box because it's been a while since I've been to Disney. Hot Topic sent me to Disney. They're a little less flattering, but again, if you're like, just get a big t-shirt over your belly, takes care of it. And if you don't care, you can just, you know, tuck in the shirts like here, and then you can show the bate. So I want to show a few other options. And so here's the second look. This is a Lion King shirt with the Mickey shorts and then Oswald ears. 3 different things. Yes. My Oswald hat is too big for my head. I know. I have to pin it in place. I didn't just because I'm going to be changing out of it very, very soon. But, you know, if you're going to Disney, or if you're a very big Disney fan and you think that you can't wear Mickey, you have to have like just Mickey, you don't. It works just as well. They are a neutral type of jean that you can wear pretty much any shirt you want with it. You don't have to do just Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse with it. I heard it with this and then Oswald. And then if you're in Disney and your favorite like is Lion King, go for it. My favorite is Mulan, and here's that. Alright, and then this is what I was talking about, that these shorts are very, very neutral. You can wear them with just about anything. This is a Mulan shirt. I have many. I had that Mushu dress. Love them. And then my Sally ears, which I did not wear with the Sally dress because I wanted to show you that this is a thing that you can wear. This is very, very, very comfortable, and you can go around and just like all Disney. You are all Disney. Don't be afraid to mix your Disneys. There's just one more that I want to do. Hey, what's up, Doc? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Who Framed Roger Rabbit is the only time Looney Tunes and Disney has been together, so I had to put them together. I had to. It was my obligation. I don't know what I'm doing with my arms. But yes, if I wear this out, I'm gonna definitely wear this out in public, and then somebody gets it and they'll be like, hey, Who Framed Roger Rabbit? I'll be like, you get a cookie. You are the absolute best. I love you. And yeah, guys, and this concludes the haul video. I'm not sure if I filmed an outro, but if I didn't, here it is. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button just once, and if you dislike this video, go ahead and hit that twice. And if you like me, please subscribe for more quality ass content. And if you wanted to know when I upload, and just go ahead and hit that bell notification. Like, something special happens when you hit that bell notification. Something magical. So go ahead and do that, because why not? Be part of my Bell Squad. And that's it, guys. I will see y'all in the next video, and stay safe out there.